Hello YouTube friends, it's Lee here. Welcome to Junk Journal January for 2025. This is an open challenge hosted by Meg from Meg Journals. There's a link to Meg's channel in my video description box. If you want to check out the people that are actually doing videos for Meg, there's links to them all on her video page. Follow the link on my video description box and you'll be able to find that information. This is the journal I'm using. So it's a tab bound journal, very first one that I've ever done, so it's a little bit rough but it's pretty good for what I want, and I'll be filling a page every day using the prompts provided by Meg. So welcome to day 2 of Junk Journal January for 2025. The prompt today is envelope, so I'm just going to do a little bit of stenciling on my page here. So I'm going to keep this as quick as I can.
When lights go out, you're in my mind. I close my eyes, so it's just you and I tell myself you'll be back again. When the stars are aligned, we will dance in the meadow on our favorite place. When spring is coming, save you a space for a dance in the meadow on our favorite place. When spring is coming,
So this is day 2 finished, and it's envelope. So I have used an envelope front to make a pocket with a little tuck spot on the front, and you can pop something in there and then just grab this off my desk. That can sit in there. So day 2 done and dusted. Happy creating. Hope that's inspired you, and see you soon for another video. Hugs and tears from Australia. Hooroo.